Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be guiding you through something that trips up a lot of newcomers to streaming and screen recording, how to remove that double screen effect in OBS Studio. You know, when your preview starts echoing itself, or you end up with a distracting infinite mirror of your OBS window showing on your stream. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only know how to get rid of that double screen, but also understand why it happens and how to prevent it in the future, so your recordings and streams always look crisp and professional. Let's dive right in. We're going to tackle this using two effective methods. First, making sense of studio mode, and second, correcting the classic draw stay effect, which is that infinite screen recursion that pops up when you accidentally capture the OBS window itself. Method 1 is all about using studio mode in OBS. If you look at the bottom right corner of your OBS window, you'll see a section called Controls, and right there you'll notice a button labeled Studio Mode. Go ahead and click it. Activating Studio Mode splits your preview window into two sections, Preview on the left and Program on the right. The preview side lets you set up your next scene, make changes, test transitions, or adjust overlays, and these edits aren't instantly visible to your live viewers. Meanwhile, the program side is your actual live feed. Whatever's on this side is what your audience sees in real time. This split might look confusing if you're new to OBS, but it's incredibly useful. Let's say you want to adjust your layout or switch scenes without your viewers seeing you fussing around. Studio Mode gives you a safe space to do exactly that. Once you're happy with your preview, you'll notice a transition button between the two screens. Clicking this pushes your preview over to the program side, making it the new live feed. So, you're always in control of what goes live, and you can avoid mistakes, distractions, or unwanted double screens in your broadcast. Take your time with this part. Get comfortable switching between preview and program. Remember, this mode is designed to help you produce smoother, error-free streams. Now, sometimes what people call the double screen is actually a graphical loop, the so-called Drosty effect, when you accidentally capture your OBS interface itself, causing a tunnel of screens inside screens. Fixing this is pretty straightforward, but it's a common hiccup. Here's how to prevent OBS from capturing itself and making your stream look like an endless mirror. Start by clicking on Settings in your OBS interface, then head to the General tab. Here, you'll find the option labeled Hide OBS Windows from Screen Capture. Tick that box. By enabling this, OBS will do its best to prevent its own window from being included when you use display capture. You'll still be able to control OBS as usual, either by using hotkeys or just clicking its icon in your system tray if you've minimized it. But sometimes, even that isn't enough, especially if you need to capture just one application, not your whole desktop. Instead of adding a display capture source, which grabs everything on your screen, including OBS itself, add a window capture source. This lets you specifically choose the application window you want to record, so you completely avoid capturing OBS or any unintended parts of your desktop. For example, if you only want to record a PowerPoint presentation or a game, window capture keeps your stream focused just where you want it. One final trick: if you have a second monitor available, this can make things even easier. Move your OBS window onto your secondary monitor and only use display capture on your main screen. That way, OBS isn't visible on the monitor you're capturing, and you sidestep the double screen problem entirely. Don't worry if you don't have a second monitor. The previous steps will work just fine. But if you do, it's a convenient way to keep your workspace organized and your stream clean. And that's it. By following these methods, you can confidently prevent that double screen or recursive window effect in OBS Studio. Your streams and recordings will look far more professional, and you'll have a smoother workflow overall. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or have other OBS questions. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.